Hello students, welcome to Math Square. This presentation is about triangles. In 9th standard we learnt properties of triangles and also congruence criteria for the triangles. Okay, this year we are going to learn about similarity of triangles. So first let's discuss about the two terms congruent and similarity and try to understand the difference between them as well. Okay, congruent, what does it mean? Two figures are said to be congruent if they have the same shape and the same size. Okay va? Two or more objects எடுத்துக்கிறோம். அதோட shape and size ஒரே மாதிரி இருந்ததுன்னா it's said to be congruent. For example, currencies of same denomination. எல்லா currenciesமே rectangular shapeல தான் இருக்கு. But same denomination, அதாவது 2000 rupees currencies மட்டும் arrange பண்ணா அது ஒரு same sizeல இருக்கும். Is it 500 அதை விட கொஞ்சம் சின்ன size, 50 அதை விட கொஞ்சம் சின்ன size. So size difference இருக்கு. That's what currencies of same denomination. Like pair of socks. So ரெண்டு சாக்ஸையும் ஒண்ணுக்கு மேல ஒண்ணு அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணும்போது அதோட boundaries exactா coincide ஆகும் இல்லையா? So that's what congruent mean. Is it? They have same shape and the same size. When it comes to similarity, two figures having the same shape but not necessarily the same size are called similar figures. Okay va? Congruentல 2 points satisfy பண்ணனும். என்னன்னா same shape and same size. But similarityல and the same size தேவையில்ல. Okay, same shape இருக்கிற எல்லாமே similar figures அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். For example, notebooks, pencils, blackboards. Notebooks and blackboards all are in rectangular shape most probably. இல்லையா? So ஒண்ணுக்கு மேல ஒண்ணு அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணும்போது coincide ஆகணும், exactா boundaries coincide ஆகணும்ன்ற அவசியம் இல்ல. That's what all the notebooks and blackboards are similar objects. Pencilum cylindrical on lengthy wooden object. So அதுவும் வந்து similar objects. Okay வா? And notebooks வரும்போது இதே notebooks same subject notebookா இருக்கும்போது, for example, all the maths textbook, all the science textbook அதெல்லாம் arrange பண்ணும்போது it comes to congruent because all those notebooks are of same shape as well as same size முக்கியமா. Okay வா? That's what the difference between congruent and similarity. Okay, now let's try to understand these concepts with some figures as example. Here we have three pair of objects below the similarity and congruence topic. என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்க்கும்போது two hearts, two stars and two cylinders. So shapes எல்லாமே இந்த ஒவ்வொரு பேர்லயும் same. They are of same shape. Size பார்த்தோம்னா not same because ஒண்ணுக்கு மேல ஒண்ணு அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணும்போது அதோட outer layer தெரியுது. Is it? So they are of same shape but not same size. Okay, now when we come to congruence, இப்போ two polygons இருக்கு, arrange பண்றோம், ஒண்ணுக்கு மேல ஒண்ணு எடுத்து வைக்கும்போது they coincide with each other. அதோட boundaries அங்க ரெண்டு இருக்கிறதே தெரியல. Is it? So இந்த circle smileyலயும் அதே concept தான். Then for this triangular box, cube, இங்கேயும் ஒண்ணுக்கு மேல ஒண்ணு arrange பண்ணும்போது they exactly match with each other. So this is what the concept of congruence. But in the concept, no need in similarity. That's what it's given, not necessary to be of same size. Okay, so this is the difference between similarity and congruence. Definition of similarity is given here, that is two polygons. So polygons எதுக்கு கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா it's a general format. So three sides, three angles இருக்கிற object is triangle. So polygon ங்கும்போது you can start with triangle as well. Okay வா? So three sides, from that four sides na square or rectangle, that is quadrilateral. Five sides means pentagon, like that. So planes or plane figure that is surrounded by three line segments. Okay va? Minimum 3 line segment இருந்தாதான் ஒரு closed figure form ஆகும். So general name polygons ன்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Okay, so two polygons of the same number of sides are similar. Their number of sides should be equal. That's what it starts with 3 or more. Okay, so two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if all the corresponding angles are equal. Their angle should be equal and all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Okay, not of same length, their proportion should be same. Okay, so let's understand with this diagram. ABCD first pair, okay, consider the first pair ABCD and PQRS. Two quadrilateral is given here. Quadrilateral means in general figure formed by 4-line segment, is it? So 4-line segment, 4 corners, 4 vertices, 4 angles are here. So first point, corresponding angles are equal. When we come to this angle portion, angles 105 105, here 100 100, 70 70, 85 85. So these two figures have equal angles, okay, angles which are equal in measure. Second point, all the corresponding sides are in the same proportion. So when in triangle ABCD the sides are 3, here this is 1.5, 50 this is 2.5, 4.8 this is 2.4, and 4.2 this is 2.1. That is, this quadrilateral PQRS is half of this quadrilateral ABCD when in the case of length of the side, is it? So ingella 1.5 na inga twice of that 3 irukku, 2.5 twice 5, 2.4 twice 4.8, 2.1 oda twice 4.2. okay va? So the side length of the sides வந்து proportionate ah irukku. Okay, then come to the second pair. Paathadume all the angles are in right angle. That's what we have drawn like this. All the angles are equal. So first point is satisfied. All the corresponding angles are equal. All the 4 angles are 90 degree. Then when we come to sides, all the 4 sides are 5 centimeter in measure. But here two opposite sides are 5, but other two opposite sides are different in 8 centimeter. So the criteria is not completed, not satisfied fully. That's what the second pair is not similar. Okay, so பார்த்ததுமே அதோட shape something different. Like this is square, this is rectangle. So அதான் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. All the 4 angles are equal ஆவும் இருக்கணும், as well as all the 4 angles இல்ல. இங்க வந்து it's a quadrilateral 4 angles. So all corresponding angles should be equal, as well as their sides are in same proportion. Okay, let's go through the exercise 6.1 now. Fill in the blanks using the correct words given in brackets. All the circles are in same shape. Ellame circular shape. So all the circles are similar. Okay. All squares are the same, similar. All are similar. And all the dash triangles are similar. So isosceles nu varumbodhu two sides measures to length of the two sides same ah irukkiradhu isosceles. Equilateral na all the 3 sides are equal ah irukkiradhu. So equilateral triangle da similar ஆக இருக்கிறதுக்கு chances இருக்கு. Okay, then two polygons of the same number of sides. அதாவது this is the definition what we have seen just before. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are என்ன பார்த்தோம், equal, is it? And B, their corresponding sides are proportional or in same proportion nu பார்த்தோம். So are proportional is the answer for here. Then second one, give two different examples of pair of similar figures. Similar figures means same shape இருக்கிற figures என்னலாம் அப்படினு பாக்கும்போது என்ன சொல்லலாம், objects கேட்டா real life objects சொல்லலாம். இங்க figures கேட்டிருக்கிறதுனால some parallelograms சொல்லலாம். Okay, parallelograms, that is இப்போ பார்த்தோம்னா எப்படியும் same ஒரே bigger or smaller anything, they are of okay same similar figure ஆ இருக்கும். Then for non similar figures வந்து two different shapes சொல்லலாம். That is circle and rectangle, is it? Non similar. Then third one, state whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. Quadrilateral na object surrounded by 4-line segment. Okay, based on the properties அது வந்து square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram அப்படினா நேம் மாறுது. So generally quadrilateral னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So whether these two figures are similar or not. First similar க்கு condition என்ன, they are of equal angles. So உங்க angles பார்த்தோம்னா ABCD is a square because all the 4 angles are 90 degree. Right angles as well as for the sides measure 3 centimeter. Equal measure இருக்கிறதுனால ABCD is a square. PQRS, the angles are not given but it's look like a parallelogram. Okay va? Parallelogramல வந்து angle should not be equal. Okay. So அந்த first pointலயே shape பார்த்ததுமே வந்து it's not similar னு சொல்லிரலாம். Plus அதோட டெஃபினிஷனோட நம்ம கம்பேர் பண்ணி சொல்லும்போது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பாயிண்ட்லயே இங்க நாட் சிமிலர்ன்றதை நம்ம சொல்லிட முடியும். ஆங்கிள்ஸ் ஆர் நாட் ஈக்குவல். ஓகேவா? ஸோ தட் அண்ட் சைடோட லெங்க்லாம் சேமா தான் இருக்கு பட் ஆங்கிள்ஸ் ஆர் நாட் ஈக்குவல். ஸோ ஸ்டேட் வெதர் த ஃபாலோயிங் குவாட்ரிலேட்டரல்ஸ் ஆர் சிமிலர் ஆர் நாட்னு கேட்டோம்னா தே ஆர் நாட் சிமிலர். ஓகே, ஸோ இந்த பேசிக் கான்செப்ட்ஸான congruence and similarity conditions புரிஞ்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Thanks for watching Math Square. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Keep watching. Thank you.